reef restoration is often perceived as an ecological undertaking. Growing coral, restoring the reef, saving the planet. But reef restoration is mostly about people. A diverse range of people, all striving to be part of something bigger than themselves. People who care, people who are passionate, people who want to make a difference. What does it mean to these people to undertake reef restoration?
Often scientists just work alone, but in order to amplify your message and create champions, you've got to go on a journey with people.
Many of them have never snorkeled before, and when they put their face in the water and they see the diversity, the coral and the amazing animals that live here, they are inspired to want to make a difference.
Exciting things about a new field like this is it's bringing a lot of people from different backgrounds coming together with new ideas, and they could all contribute to bring new solutions for the reef.
Connecting with Indigenous owners, expert marine scientists and people that have actually got hands-on experience of reef restoration means that we're actually starting to create a network of people that can do things, that can get things done, rather than just talk about ideas.
What excites me a lot about reef restoration is that you've got all these levels of ecological and social benefits.
Being part of projects like this make you feel incredible because it makes you feel like you've helped, makes you feel involved, it makes you feel like there's hope.
Working with people in restoration, you can really feel that passion.
And everyone's here, friendly, welcoming, heartfelt. Yes.
Working with other people from different countries kind of build that diversity between all the people working together to try and make our world better, especially our ocean and our coral reefs.
The reef connects us in so many ways.
It's good to come out and experience things because you get more awareness and you learn more and you care more as a result.
Between this many people, you can come up with some pretty awesome ideas.
It gives the opportunity for volunteers and locals to get involved, have some ownership over it, and to really understand the processes that are affecting the reef.
To me, it's all about people. And if you can get people involved in citizen science or planting coral, then they become reef guardians.
It's really giving me so much hope.
I've never done anything quite like it. Probably one of the most satisfying dives I've ever done in my life so far.
Always people that are passionate about the ocean and passionate about the reef.
I never thought that coral restoration was really attainable for someone like me or for volunteers or for citizen scientists, but it's showed me that you don't need like multiple PhDs to do coral restoration. I think that's really beautiful.
But I don't know how I'm going to go back to just diving for fun and just looking around. I feel like I'm going to have to do something when I'm in the water.
Programs for coral restoration, to have those minds come together around processing solutions, but nonetheless connecting around for our future and our ocean, was really a meaningful experience. I deeply appreciate it.
You don't need to be a scientist to be able to make a difference and take part.
Hopefully, all of us working together and sharing and collaborating, we can reach that goal and protect what we love.
Remind yourself why you're doing everything, and a good way to do that is to get out of everyday life and spend a few days doing stuff like this.
You do not protect what you do not love, and it's really important to share this feeling with other people so they can do their best, and every action counts on protecting the ocean.
Having the opportunity of working in the coral reef restoration field has just been the best thing has ever happened to me.